Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I want to share with you something that some of you may or may not have experienced, as I have. Every now and then, when it's like 3 a.m. in the morning and I can't sleep, and I'm on the internet, and I run across something on Amazon, like, say, some different colored, kind of metallic mechanical pencils, and I'm like, man, it would be really cool if I could get colored lead to match those mechanical pencils. And then I say, look around a little more, and I find some colored lead to match the colored pencils. And, well, you can probably tell where this is going. So what I did was I decided I wanted to have some nifty mechanical pencils that had matching lead colors. And so what I did is these are sharp mechanical pencils, and they take 0.5 millimeter lead. And I found some, and this is Uni Nanodia, anyway, lead. And I'll include links to both of these in the description if you want to check them out. The lead comes in a 7-pack, where you can get basically a container of each of these, comes in one of each of these colors. And these are pretty cheap. I want to say this was like $5 or $6 for the 3-pack. So what I want to do is I want to see how good of a match these are. And I'm not gonna, well, maybe I'll load up the mint and the pink and the lavender and the orange just for good measure, just so y'all can check them out. But my main goal is these three: the green, the red, and the blue. So let's open these things up and take a look at them and see how they look. I am very hopeful that these are going to be as interesting of pens as they look. Alright. So first of all, they don't feel too bad as pencils go. They're a little light. They feel more like they're plastic with like a metallic coating than anything else. So these are the Pentel Sharp, and they're 0.5 millimeter pencils. Alright, so that's not too bad. Can you all see that okay? Okay. So let's see what we can do. Let's unload. Ooh, that's kind of interesting. Let's unload these, and they come with lead, which we aren't going to be super interested in. And then we'll pull out the other piece of lead. If I can get my... Oh, it doesn't want to come out, does it? There we go. Oops. There we go. Alright. So let's take care of that. And now we just got to load up our lead. It's kind of them to give instructions. Y'all can see that. So it'll focus on there. We slide it to open it. And we slide it. We have to get rid of this thing first, and then we can slide it to open it. Alright. So we slide it to open it. Ooh, neat. Alright. So let's load up a couple of these leads. And I want a bunch. I want like 4. Alright. By the way, that's kind of a cool lead container. So we'll take these, insert these into our pencil, like so. And then fix everything back the way it was. And then we'll try the lead. Alright. So this is, oops, this is the Uni Nanodia, and this is blue. Oh, that's kind of cool looking. Huh. Can you all see that okay? That doesn't look too bad, does it? It definitely looks blue. Alright, let me zoom back out into it. And let's load up the other ones. Alright, so for the green one, empty these out. And alright, load up the green one. Oh, I'm at it. Alright. I very much like these little lead containers. Alright, so I need about 3 or 4 of those. And we'll load this one up. Alright, so this is the Uni Nanodia, and this is green. Ooh, I like that too. I'm pretty happy with these so far. Let's check out the red one. I kind of always felt like red might be a tough lead color to get. So let's... there we go. I'm getting better at this. So let's load up the red one and open this up. Grab a couple, 2 or 3 leads, like so. Load the red one up. And then we'll test this one out. Can y'all see that? Does that actually look red to you? Yeah. Does that look red to you? Yeah. Uni, ooh, Nanodia, green, 0.5 millimeters. Oh, okay. Wow, I am way happier with these 3 pencils than I was expecting to be. That's kind of awesome. Alright. So let's... Okay. While we're doing this, why don't we check out the other colors? I'm kind of curious now as well. So we got mint, pink, purple, lavender, and orange. I assume lavender is fancier than purple? Of course, I guess mint could also be like turquoise. Alright, so let's try these out. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can grab a different pencil for us to test this out with. Where would a mechanical pencil be? Alright, let's see what I got. Alright, let's try this one. See if I can load this one up real easy. This is the Uni Nanodia, and so I think what I'm going to do is I will slide out, I'll remove the lead from it. Let me keep my lead separate. Remove the lead from it, and then I'll remove the lead from this one. Oh, there's not much lead in here. And then I'm gonna move the lead that way, and then we'll just pop one lead in and try it out. Alright, so the first one is going to be the pink one. Let's grab a pink lead. Come here, single pink lead. Here we go. Grab a single pink lead, and I'm going to leave space so I can put it back in. So we'll insert it in here. Replace the eraser. Replace the little top thing. Alright, so this is the Uni Nanodia pink. Oops. Keep pressing down too hard on these. I'm wondering if that's an issue with these leads. I don't think I'm pressing down super hard on any of them. I don't know. I tell you what though, the pink doesn't look bad. Alright, so the pink looks pretty good. Oh, I think I don't... I want to say the set of leads was like $5 or $6 for the 7 different containers. It wasn't... I don't remember it being super expensive. So if you want to try these out, they're not horrible. Alright, so let's try the mint. Mint blue. Also known in some circles as turquoise. Just grab one of these. And I'll leave that open so I can put this one back in when I'm done with it. I'll tell you what this might have inspired me to do. I might need to see if I can hunt up some mechanical pencils that match the colors of these leads. That'd be kind of cool. Alright, so this one is mint blue. So this is the Uni... Y'all see that okay? Nanodia mint blue. Alright, that's not bad. I like that one too. These leads actually, they look better than I was expecting them to look. Alright. So that's the pink and the blue. So we got lavender and orange. I'm going to save orange for last because that seems like it's going to be the most exciting one. I'm also curious to see how well the orange holds up. So let's grab a purple one. And let's try this one out. Again, we just insert it into our pencil. And we'll give it a shot. And I'm going to cheat and make sure I spell lavender right. Alright, so this is the Uni Nano. I like that. The purple looks pretty good. Yeah. Lavender. And this is 0.5 millimeters. Wow, actually the lavender looks really good. I'm pretty impressed by that. Doesn't look bad at all. Ah, shoot. I finally broke one. Alright. That was going to happen eventually. So we'll pop this back in there. And alright, so that's the lavender. And last one is orange, which I'm kind of excited about. Alright, let's give orange a shot. I am hopeful that the orange looks as good as the other ones. It's really weird. Can you see... Can you see the color of the lead against my glove? It kind of looks like a dark burnt orange, and I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like when it comes out, like when it's written with. Alright, let's see. Let's give this a shot now. Alright, so last one. Uni Nano. It looks lighter than the lead looks. Orange. 0.5 millimeters. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. I, for one, am now super excited about my color-coded lead pencils. I'm going to have to look around and see if they have any of these in other colors. Or, I guess, just find 7 matching colors of lead pencils. Anyway, let me know what you think. Are there any colored leads that I should check out? Are there any suggestions y'all might have? Are there any better colored leads that are out there in the market? What kind of things do y'all run across when you're up at 3 in the morning, unable to sleep and on the internet? Anyway, let me know in the comments. And I'll include links to all this stuff in the description if you want to check it out. And the LEDs come in like a pack of 7, so you can get all of them for, I want to say it's like $6 or $7. So you can get like these 3 pencils and the set of LEDs for like $10, maybe $12. They seem pretty affordable. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.